Yo, 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 this is Joe Mo from the dojo. Checking in with you guys. I'm gonna try something new today. It's been like, I've been trying to make like funny videos, every chance I get, cause I don't want everybody to think I'm all serious, cause a lot of people don't really do serious. Serious don't get attention. So I'm gonna try something, and I want you guys to just like comment below after the video or whenever you get a chance to view the video. Let me know how it was. I'm gonna do impression right quick. I'm gonna do Rocky ordering at McDonald's. Here we go. Uh, I would like a double quarter pounder with cheese, some fries. AJ, what you want? And let me get a milkshake. $40? That's a lot of money. All right, here you go. I'll give it to you. That's all I got. Hopefully, you guys like it. Trying something different. All right, peace.